So the transportation and the modern industries in India, if you'll see that both have helped in the economic unification. So modern industries during the British period led to the encouragement of modern feeling. In industries, people from different parts of the country work together. They belong to the various races, religions, sects and all. And thus cities become the birthplace of the modern political. वैसे भी ये सारी इंडस्ट्रीज कहाँ पे होंगे? रूरल में तो नहीं होंगे, जहाँ पे भी होते थे वहाँ पे. So therefore we can say that the city everywhere, cities are the birthplace of nationalism. Birthplace of nationalism, national movement, nationalism. Understood? So which are the factors of nationalism? Last में आपका आएगा major factor. If I am talking about, this is in the form of, I said Lytton, Ripon and then Kircher. These are the three famous persons, and to some extent you can talk about Dufferin also. Okay? So we have seen, like I said, that economic unification. First factor I said that for nationalism, foreign dominance. Second one I said Western thought and Western education. Thought में हमने क्या बोला था? ध्यान होगा. Political ideologies and then heroes. We have made political heroes. Two things, and they have helped us. Yes or not? To understand then evil effects. They have helped us to understand then humiliation done. And because of this we have developed, yes, leaders and organizers for the national movements. Understood? Now we are going to see press and newspaper. You know that? So press and newspaper. And then generally the presses are there, newspapers are in which form? Vernacular form. And the vernacular means in the regional languages also. But at the same time, when it is coming into the English, they started putting the ideas of what, north to south, east to west and everywhere. The newspaper also help us to what is the spread of national sentiment throughout India. And I said that the printing press helped in the circulation of ideas. A large number of newspapers were published in different regional languages of India. These newspapers were mostly anti-British and gave publicity to the racial arrogance, economic exploitation and personal misbehavior, etc. British towards Indians. So, हम लोगों ने newspaper से, so if I am talking about the newspapers, like I said that in the which? Kesari was a newspaper or journal? Punjab Kesari, very good. So Times of India is a very old newspaper, like you can say. Hindu is not that too much old, लेकिन हिंदू उतना ज़्यादा ग्रो नहीं हुआ, लेकिन उसके भी बोला जाता है 1875. हाँ, मैगजीन नहीं, न्यूज़पेपर. वो मैगजीन के लिए आ जाएगा. Understood? So understood it. So to some extent they have played in a very much important role to understand what is the subjugation of Britishers over the Indians. And then the subjugation में exploitation हो सकता है, everything that they are doing against the. So newspaper has played in a press and newspaper. So press and newspaper, what are the two ways? One it is, I said that it's in English, and another it is in the vernacular, regional languages. And then they are giving us about what is ideas about exploitation, ideas about nationalism, ideas about humanism, and how to fight. And then educated people are helping in to what is spread this ideologies, their ideologies, and they are spreading it that what the Britishers are. Generally, कहीं कुछ हो गया accident, British वो आ गया कि British are subjugated. Yes or not? And then somewhere the interest of British are also visible. Everywhere we can be able to see. Clear? So what are the 6 factors till now we have seen out of 10 factors? Foreign dominion समझ में आ चुका है? फॉरेन डोमिनियन का लाइन याद है आप लोग को? फॉरेन डोमिनियन रूट कॉज इज इंटरेस्ट ऑफ क्लास ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बिटवीन इंडियंस एंड देन इंटरेस्ट ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स. दैट हैज गिवन अस अंडरस्टैंड द नेशनल सेंटिमेंट. यस, एंड देन इफ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हेन देन क्लास ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वाज टेकिंग प्लेस, वी आर गेटिंग द नेशनल सेंटिमेंट इनसाइड इट. और उससे क्या नजर आया फॉरेन डोमिनियन की वजह से? दे हैव गिवन चैलेंजेस. They have given challenge to what is an understand it. And उसके बाद हम लोगों ने क्या करना स्टार्ट कर दिया? We started knowing, understanding, materializing morale, intellectuals to what? Help in the development of national movement. Understood it? Thereafter we have seen Western thought, Western education. Then we talked about socio-religious reform. Then we have seen modern mode of transportation, economic unification, and then I said that press and newspapers. Next one I said that contribution of the literature. यहाँ पे आपके journals and all things it will come. Understood? So we have to talk about something in the Hindi literature, something in the Urdu literature, something in the Marathi literature, something in the different literature, some books if you remember. And all are spreading the ideologies, yes or not? And these ideologies are helping us to create a national sentiment. So we can be able to see if the literature और सबसे बड़ा कौन कहाँ से which book has given national anthem? बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी का कौन सा बुक? आनंद मठ. Understood? वो आपको जरूर बात करना है. In the Bengali and all, I said that if the literature influenced by the society, then the society is influenced by the vice versa. So literature is what is there in the society, and society उस literature का एक बढ़ा हुआ रूप आ जाता है. So I said that literature contributed bringing the feeling of national consciousness, national awakening in the country. In the literary main, understand the evils of British rule through the novels, essay, poetry, songs and articles. So literary men try to infuse, try to give different ideologies into the society. Understood? Aspect of exploitation of the, I said that British rule, and then their evils, and then different kind of ideologies. We can say that different kind of. So essay के फॉर्म में आ सकता है, सॉन्ग के फॉर्म में आ सकता है, एंड एक सॉन्ग जो नेशनल एंथम बन गया जो हमारे लिए केला. And then in Bengali this work was carried by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and Rabindranath Tagore, Bhartendu Harishchandra in the Hindi language, Bhartendu Harishchandra, and then Altaf Hussain Ali in the Urdu language. तो ये थोड़ा सा आप लोगों के लिए सभी लैंग्वेज के लिए एक हो. And then Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote his famous novel, which one? Anand Math, in which he appeared the patriotic song Bande Mataram. And then I said that the novel portrayed the evil economic, and I said that political consequences of the early British in Bengal, bunking of the people, the religion of patriotism. Religion of patriotism. The word समझ में आ रहा है? Everybody's one following patriotism become the religion. You started as a culture. Understood? So we have been able to see the which factor I said that. Yes, first factor क्या था हमारा? Foreign dominance. Clear है? Again मैंने बोला वो line याद रखने की जरूरत है. Which line I said that? Clash of interest between Indian and British, and that we realizes that they are doing for their own benefit. Like finally their sentiment has given us national sentiment, and what we have got, yes, material, morals, intellectuals, which help in the development of national movement and nationalist ideas. Understood? And next क्या था हमारा? Western thought and Western education. Then we have seen socio-religious reform. Then we have seen modern mode of transportation. Then economic unification. Then press and newspapers, and then literature. Clear? Understood? Literature में कौन कौन सा था? भारतेंदु हरिश्चंद्र. किस लैंग्वेज में? एंड बंकिम चंद्र रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने किस में? बंगाली में. और उर्दू में अल्ताफ रजा. So Altaf Hussain Ali, and they have contributed, and then they have given us a religious patriotism, and they are writing about economic, social exploitation, and then upgradation, and then making it